Hi friends, welcome to follow up. Let's have a look at today's daily challenge problem. Problem 2108. Find first palindromic string in an array. This problem is related to palindrome. So in this and next several videos, we're going to look at problems related to palindrome. So next video, we are going to look at problem 125. So now let's come back to this problem. So here we are given an array of strings called words. We want to find the first palindromic string in the array. If there is no such string, we are going to return an empty string. So here it explains what's a palindromic string, right? A string is palindromic if it reads the same forward and backwards. So here are three examples. So they are very easy to interpret. So we don't want to go into these details here. So let's look at the constraints. So here the words as a list have length bounded above by 100, and each element or each string inside this words list is also bounded by 100. So word I consists only of lowercase English letters. So this actually is not very essential for us, but we need to anyway to check if a given string is palindromic or not, right? So for this problem, first we are going to write a checker method to check if given a string, if it's a palindrome, and then we are going to do a for loop for the given list words to find the first one, and then if there's no palindromic string, we are going to return empty. So this is the full digest for this problem. So now, because the logic is so straightforward, so we directly go to the coding. So first, I'm going to write a check function. So basically, give a string. We want to check if this string is a palindromic string. So I'm going to have this length. So if n is less than 2, right, we just need to return true, right? This for sure is a palindromic string, right? And then we want to, for the generic case, so notice that we just need to compare roughly one half. For example, if you have A, B, A, you just need to compare A, right? So if you have A, B, C, and B, A, right? You just need to compare A and A here, B and B here. In other words, the length, let's call it n over 2, right? Integer division. So here we are going to do this. So for I in range, so n over 2, right? So we want the start one equals to the end one, and then the second one equals to the second to last one, right? So in other words, if s at index I does not equal to s at n minus 1 minus I, right? This is the other end, so we can increase I, so this will be also decreasing. But due to this range of I, so we always have this one is slightly larger, right? So if they're not equal, we are sure it's not palindromic, so we're going to return false. Otherwise, if nothing has returned after the for loop, we are going to return true. In other words, it's indeed a palindromic string. So with this function at hand, so we are ready to do the for loop, right? For, let's see, s in words. Then we're going to check if check s. So if this is true, we just need to return s, right? Then just because this is a return, it automatically break the for loop. If after the for loop nothing has returned, we just need to return empty string according to the problem requirement. So this is a daily challenge problem for today. So let's do a quick check. Yeah, it passes one example. Now let's look at the generic case. Yeah, it passes all the cases. So with that said, I guess that's about it for the current problem. Thank you for watching. If you are interested, you can follow up to look at problem 125.